The female honey bee. In the honeybee colonies where each of the many bees is assigned a specific task, the only exception is the male honeybee. The males do not contribute to the defense of the hive or its cleaning, to gathering food, or making of the honeycomb and honey. The only function of the male bees is to inseminate the queen bee. Apart from reproductive organs, the males possess almost none of the features possessed by the other bees, and it is therefore impossible for them to do anything but fertilize the queen. The worker bees carry the entire load of the colony. Although they are females like the queen, their ovaries have no maturity which renders them sterile. They have several duties: cleaning the hive, maintaining the larvae and the young, feeding the queen bee and the males, producing honey, constructing the honeycomb and repairing it, ventilating the hive and safeguarding it, gathering supplies like nectar, pollen, water and resin, and storing these in the hive. The features of these creatures are described in the Qur'an, in Surat An-Nahl, which means the honey bee. Your Lord revealed to the bees build dwellings in the mountains and the trees, and also in the structures which men erect. Then eat from every kind of fruit and travel the paths of your Lord, which have been made easy for you to follow. From inside them comes a drink of varying colors, containing healing for humanity. There is certainly a sign in that for people who reflect. Qur'an, 16 verses 68 to 69. Unlike English, the Arabic grammar is gender-specific. Verbs are used to differentiate between male and female subjects. The verse not only reveals the healing properties of honey, it also uses the relevant verbs to specify that the subject which is responsible for all the mentioned activities is a female honey bee. We should not forget that it is impossible for this fact to have been known 1,400 years ago in the time of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Yet, Allah has pointed at this fact and shown us yet another miracle of the Qur'an.
Your Lord revealed to the bees build dwellings in the mountains and the trees, and also in the structures which men erect.